Did you know that capybaras are nicknamed the most zen animals in the world? But why are these creatures so calm and so popular? Stay with me, because the answer might surprise you. Today, we're going to talk about an animal that's gaining popularity every day, the capybara. These large rodents from South America have become internet stars, often shown as the most laid-back animals in the world. But what makes these creatures so special? Why does everyone seem to love them? Capybaras are the largest rodents in the world, measuring up to 4 feet long and weighing almost 150 pounds. They are semi-aquatic, which means they spend a lot of time in the water to cool off and escape predators. But their impressive size and aquatic lifestyle are only part of what makes them so fascinating. They look like giant guinea pigs, but they are much more than that. Capybaras have light brown or grey fur, often ruffled, and their partially webbed feet make them excellent swimmers. They also have a unique way of moving, a bit like a miniature hippopotamus, gliding gracefully through the water despite their size. In addition to their unique appearance, capybaras have a personality that seems to match their laid-back attitude. They live in social groups and are known to be extremely sociable, not only with their own kind, but also with other animals and even humans. This sociable nature largely contributes to their reputation as cool and relaxed animals. You might see them relaxing in hot springs, surrounded by other animals, as if nothing around them mattered. You might be wondering why capybaras are so relaxed. Well, it's largely due to their natural environment and social behavior. Capybaras live in large groups, sometimes made up of 10 to 20 individuals, and this community life allows them to feel safe, thus reducing their stress levels. Their semi-aquatic lifestyle also plays a crucial role. Spending time in the water helps capybaras stay cool under the tropical sun. But water also offers refuge from predators, making them less nervous when they are near a river or lake. You may have seen videos of capybaras lounging in hot springs or public baths. These images are not that far from their natural behavior. Interestingly, capybaras can hold their breath underwater for about 5 minutes. This ability allows them to hide from predators by diving into the water and remaining perfectly still until the danger has passed. Imagine having that peace of mind knowing you always have an escape route at your fingertips. Speaking of predators, capybaras, although large, are still prey for animals like jaguars, anacondas, and caimans. Yet they seem to accept this reality with disarming tranquility. Their survival strategy relies on staying in groups and always having an escape plan to the water. This combination of social behavior and aquatic safety makes capybaras very relaxed animals, even in potentially dangerous situations. Their diet also plays a role in their apparent calmness. Capybaras are strict herbivores, feeding mainly on grasses, aquatic plants, and tree bark. This high-fiber diet not only provides them with the nutrients they need, but also contributes to their slow and regular digestion, which could be another reason for their zen attitude. They spend hours slowly chewing their food, which seems to add to their image of relaxation. One of the reasons capybaras are so popular is their ability to get along with practically every animal. You've probably seen pictures or videos of capybaras surrounded by ducks, monkeys, dogs, even crocodiles. But why this peaceful cohabitation? Capybaras are incredibly tolerant. Their peaceful nature and lack of aggression make them open to the company of other species. In captivity, they have been observed befriending all sorts of animals, making them perfect companions in zoos or animal farms. Even in the wild, other animals seem to feel comfortable around capybaras, which speaks volumes about their non-threatening nature. In some cases, capybaras have even been seen cooperating with birds. For example, birds can perch on the backs of capybaras to feed on insects on their skin. This kind of symbiotic relationship shows how well integrated capybaras are in their ecosystem. They don't conflict with anyone and seem to be accepted by all. This ability to interact harmoniously with other species also extends to humans. Capybaras are often described as curious but calm animals who don't hesitate to approach people for a pat or even a cuddle. This closeness to humans has made capybaras social media stars, where their adorable and relaxed behavior continues to win hearts. Another interesting aspect is how capybaras are perceived in local cultures. In South America, capybaras are sometimes hunted for their meat, but in many areas they are also respected and considered symbols of tranquility and friendliness. Some indigenous peoples even see them as protective spirits of nature, adding a cultural dimension to their already positive image. Their popularity also has a positive impact on conservation. By raising public awareness of the importance of these animals, capybaras are becoming ambassadors for the protection of South America's natural habitats. By learning to love and respect these animals, people are more likely to support efforts to preserve the environments in which they live. This role as a champion of nature further contributes to their irresistible charm. So why does everyone love capybaras? It's simple. These animals embody peace, tolerance, and tranquility. In an often stressful world, capybaras are a source of comfort. Their relaxed demeanor and ability to coexist with all sorts of animals, including humans, make them a symbol of peaceful coexistence. Their internet popularity only adds to their charm. Capybaras have become icons of chill, animals we watch to relax and remind ourselves that sometimes it's good to slow down and enjoy the moment. Their success on social networks shows how much people need these examples of serenity in their daily lives. It's also fascinating to see how capybaras have become ambassadors for nature. By discovering these creatures, people are becoming more interested in habitat conservation in South America. Their presence encourages respect for local flora and fauna, which is crucial for the preservation of our planet. There is also something very human about the attachment we feel for capybaras. Perhaps it's their gentle eyes, their placid demeanor, or simply the fact that they seem to embody the idea that life can be simple and peaceful. They remind us that peace and tranquility are important values, not only for animals, but for ourselves as well. In short, capybaras are much more than just rodents. They are symbols of peace, tolerance, and harmonious cohabitation. Their popularity continues to grow, and for good reason. They remind us of the importance of community, tranquility, and taking care of nature. The next time you see a video or photo of a capybara, remember that behind that relaxed smile hides an exceptional animal, capable of teaching us a lot about life. Capybaras are truly extraordinary creatures, and their relaxed attitude is a model for us all. So, what do you think? Did you learn anything new about capybaras? Share your stories or questions in the comments, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to discover other wonders of the world around us.